In this video, I'll show you how to add an image inside text in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document. Then type out your text. Using a bold or condensed font works best for this effect. Next, select the text. Go to Object and click Expand. This converts the text into shapes, which is required for masking. Now bring in your image. Go to File, then Place, and select your image. Resize and position the image so it covers the text area. Make sure the text is on top of the image. Right-click the text, choose Arrange, then Bring to Front. Now open the Transparency panel. Go to Window and click Transparency. Select both the text and the image. In the Transparency panel, click Make Mask. Your image is now inside the text. If you ever want to remove the effect, go back to the Transparency panel and click Release. And that's how you add an image inside text in Adobe Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.